Well, it's after lunchtime now, and the puppies are up and moving around. So I thought I'd take a short video, see how they're doing. So up in the left-hand corner is the liver male. The one in the middle with the white stripe on her face is the female. I think the female may be a little lighter. The two males are both going to be dark, I think. The female may be a little bit lighter, although she is turning darker too. So let me get down a little closer here. We'll get you a close shot. There's the female. Isn't she a pretty girl? Oh yeah, a real pretty girl. They're beginning to wrestle a little bit, which is good. Here is the male, liver male. He is a pretty boy, a real stud dog. He's going to be a good-sized boy, prize one. And here's the third male, little liver male, white tail. He is the one that's got somewhat of an undersized leg on his left front side, but he moves around okay, and he probably will be okay. Let's see if I can get a shot of him. Here he is here. He's walking okay. There's the other ones now. They're all having a good time there. They're going to start to wrestle.